Hello, this is Harry J from Communication. Now I'm again with another video, with another tutorial, very simple. In this case, I'm gonna show you how you can install TikTok to your iPhone 12. Could be any version of iPhone 12. Also, how you can make an account and use TikTok in your iPhone. Without any further ado, let's go to the process. Here you can see App Store. Hit this one. Continue. Hit searching option here. Okay. And at the searching box, type TikTok. So you can see I have TikTok here. I tap this one. So good. At the first option, no, is some ad. The second option you see here, it could be first to you or second, whatever. Hit this cloud option to download. Obviously you have to connect to Apple ID to work with this. If you don't have Apple ID and you don't know how to do that, you can check my video. If you don't have Apple ID and if you don't know how to do an Apple ID, check my video how you can do that. Here is done. You can hit open here, but I'll not open from there. Want to show you the exact location. You see here TikTok. If this doesn't appear here, you can check at application bar. You see here top TikTok. So I'm gonna hit this one and here we go. Now, I don't have any account with TikTok, for example. Already have an account, you put login. If you don't have account, you can make one TikTok account. First one, use your phone or email address, continue with your Gmail account, continue with Apple ID, continue with your Facebook. So any option you can decide. Okay, so I hit continue with Facebook. Continue. You have to connect with your Facebook account, your Facebook email address and password you have to put here. In case if you don't want, you hit cancel here at the top and you can go for phone or email address or Gmail account, whatever you like. I put here use phone or email. Okay, you have to put your birthday. Let me put a random birthday, for example, August. And you have to be older. I put in random, for example 87, whatever. I hit next button. I have to put my phone number to register it, and I also can do by email. Here we go, email address. So you can do it in both way with your phone number and email address. I'm gonna put one email address, this one, and I hit next button. They give me something to verify. Drag the puzzle. Here we go. You see the puzzle to put on its place. Here we go. Verify complete. I have to put a password. Let me do that. So in this case, you have to put letter, number, and special character in the password. I hit next button. Username, they put me one, doesn't matter, and they send me one mail also to my email account. I can change username in this case. Okay, here we go. I put a user account, username Harry Jeffrey. I hit sign up. Now you can choose your interest, what you like, what you don't. Comedy, daily life, food, auto. This I like. Okay, beauty and style. I hit next button now. Now I can swipe start watching. You see, don't allow to give me notification. If you want, allow them or not. Don't allow. Swipe to watch. You see the videos of the TikTok. You can see whatever you like, any moment, whatever you want to see. Dancing of the people. I think you can make 90-second video with this, whatever you like, whatever you want. You see here one button plus, you hit this one, so you can shoot a video. Here you can see, so you have 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3-minute video as well. I didn't know that you can shoot 3-minute video with TikTok. So you start this button, now it's recording. Yeah, testing for TikTok video. Okay, let's see. It's giving me time. You see at the top, checking how it's working TikTok video. I hit next button and post. Post as a new allow. Okay, it's done in my account. I have this video, my profile. You see, you can go and watch this video. So it's very easy, this application to use, very easy, very good. And here is a live button. You can go to live as well. I think discover. You have so many options you can use. You can follow which type of video you want to see from different people, different person, whatever you like. Here we go, this one, let's see what she's saying. Okay, see, change whatever different video of that person. See that? I don't know. Let's change. This looks more feminine. You swipe and you check video as you like, as you want. Your popular celebrity also, Jason is here from Transformer. And your cooking video as well. So repairing video as well. You have repairing YouTube channel. I think I have to start TikTok channel to repair things. So this is how, just hit the plus button. You can do whatever you want here. Different type of video, unusual video, you have two. So you have all type of video in TikTok these days, to fixing, inject, you see Pfizer or vaccine injection video. So whatever you like is available here. So okay guys, this is how to install TikTok, how to use and make an account with TikTok. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.